What's up guys, welcome back. So today we have a little side project going on here. I have this park board from Capita and unfortunately I accidentally dropped it on the concrete and this is right where the metal stripping meets. So it's not fused here, it's just laid around the edge and then pressed with however many pounds of pressure. So if I lose this, the board's done. And I really only have one good shot at this because I've tried to fix this before and it's just getting worse. So I'm gonna clean this out really well. I'm gonna take a wire wheel to the inside of this and clean all the rust out. And I'm gonna try and press this back together. I'm gonna use the JB Weld plastic bonder. It says it's really good for plastic to metal and plastic to plastic bonding. So my first step here is I'm going to take a wire wheel and get all of the old glue and maybe some of the rust that formed on this metal stripping off, and we're going to go from there. Alright, I pulled all the rust off of those fins there. Fingers crossed guys, I love this board. Alright, so next I'm going to mix up this plastic bonder and I'm going to put it into the cracks and then I'm going to clamp it together. That's about all I'm going to need. Mix the two colors. Mix it really well. Start with a very frugal amount. I don't know how this is going to work. Don't want to put too much in to where you're not going to be able to get the clamp off because it got glued together. And I'm going to actually hit this with a little bit of air drying action just to heat up the area after I've applied some of this glue. There we go, that should be enough. Alright, I got that squeezed in pretty good. Kind of want to try and move it around a little bit though. Because this tip just isn't in all the way, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to push it in. Maybe. Let's see. Get a little squeeze. And then as I push this wood in and squeeze at the same time. That actually did something. I know there's a tiny bit of overspill onto the blue clamp. Let's see if I can clean that as well. I'm just gonna let this dry for a while. It's all clamped now. I've cleaned up the mess and everything's starting to thicken up. I was able to get that metal back towards where it's supposed to be sitting, but there's still about a 1/16 of an inch gap sticking out, but that's so much better than what it was before. I'm gonna let this dry and come back to it. I'm not taking these clamps off for a while because I don't want the glue to expand or anything like that in the process. So I'll talk to you guys in a minute. So with the plastic bonder and the clamps, you can see now that the metal edge is back where it's supposed to be sitting, and there isn't a huge gap delaminating the very tip of my board. This should be good for the rest of the season, and hopefully I'll get another year out of it after that. Thanks for watching guys. I appreciate your support and I hope to see you on the next one. Have a good week and I'll see you guys again soon.